Fuck, yes.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, let's big up on yourself. Holy love and blessings, we say give thanks to life. Thank you for your continuous support. Yes, man, welcome to Lion Foot TV. You know what, so we keep it real on the battlefield. You see me? Yes, coming up in this episode, I'm my viewers and subscribers, Dexta Daps have a new song in it, sound like a banger still. You see me? The man say, I big up every Caribbean, you know what I mean? Big up every West Indian, the man big up all every gay man, is it? I want to know foot I go feel when they hear that one day. Also, Amari, seems like she's bringing her daughter, Destiny, into the music field, which is a good look. So, I'm going to see what I go on and hear what I go on. Is it? But I don't know the routine now. We have forward back after the break. Don't go nowhere.
I watch them on the Germany represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Yeah, man, big up the Patriots them. And so I say big up Jamil. Is it? Yes. Some of viewers and subscribers see the platform them there. Yeah, man. Do the right thing and give me the support. See? Follow me, subscribe. Yeah, man. Share the content them. So first we kick it off with Dexta Daps right now. They're one part in the world. You see me? And yeah, in my preview piece I'm sang. You know what I mean? And that song sound like a bomber as I stated. So let's get into it and hear what I go on now. Yes, so clearly you can hear the song is about big up every nation, equality, diversity, equity, love, that Dexta Daps are dealing. And so me always say on the platform. So the man say big up every Jamaican, every Canadian, every Bayesian, you see me? Australian, big up every gay man. Where that's how me is lift up every year. Yes, Dexta Daps. Yo, when foot I hear this, how foot I go feel Dexta foot are good or Dexta does are doing things still. Him not care about nobody. I'm like that. You know what I mean? As Mr. Live in love, live and let others live. You know, it's a thing of me always say on the platform. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that. Then further on to the song. Yes, so further on to the song, yeah, man, I say big up every St. Lucia and every Barbuda and Trinidad, Antigua, you know what I mean, Antigua, and, you know, yeah, the man is representing for the Caribbean, for the whole world, because I big up Australia and Canada and them places. You know, when it comes to the LGBTQ, very powerful, especially in Canada, so. But I don't think my viewers and subscribers, me ain't have the problem with it. Rhythm sound good, song sound good, and yeah. You see me as my viewers and subscribers, at Dexta Daps do him thing, and I hear the king. Yeah, we are West Indian. Yes, Dexta Daps sound like him find another hit. Viewers and subscribers want to think why Dexta Daps choose to do that song and say big up every gay man. Is he looking at hype or him just a needed love and unity and strength? Me not have a problem with it, but I know say foot a hype cheap. I go lick when him hear this. Yes, I know say the LGBTQ community go run with that song too, because it catchy and the rhythm behind it, and you know what I mean? I just love you, man. Dexta Daps do music. And I big up myself, Dexta Daps. See it. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what one thing still saying. Now we move on to Amari and her daughter, Destiny. Zina Amari, I teach her the ropes, and I love how Destiny stick around her mom. You know what I mean? Stick and stood by her side. It's what I say. So big up myself, Amari. Yeah, man, Amari, I have a new song right now. I like it. That's why I highlight it. So yeah,
Amari, why you don't leave Queenie and Dewey alone? You understand, Amari? Everybody say you're bad mind. I know me and Dewey me no bad mind.
And me and Dewey me no bad mind.
Okay. Way up.
When you ready for the show? Alright, let's go.
Long time you a call up me name, say you want somebody fame and I keep the blame, man. Long time say you look down on me like me no somebody.
Yo, big up yourself, you know, Amari. Me nah lie, me say it once and me I say it again. You inspire me, and I admire your determination and dedication.
Miss Wonders and come let me blow them. I'm feeling so
Higher, higher.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, you are the critics, you are the judge. What do you think about Destiny vocals? I think there's room for improvement, but she sound good. And she only need the key and the note, you know? Yes, man, I know she have her mother by her side. I bring her into the game. That is something I like to see.
Miss Wonders and Shine. And me a do it, me no bad mind. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 yes. Yeah.
Why I not like the way Amari said the fuck and how she make it sound, me I tell it nearly turn me on the star. You can't follow me. It's good to have a laugh. But big up Amari. Big up Amari. I like the idea and the concept.
And then we are going to go on like we are climb a mountain. The song fair get better, 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 better. We now look at them the vibes there till we touch studio. You understand? Die, 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 die.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, that's Amari, Mona Lisa, and her daughter, Destiny. Zine is a good look for sister Amari. I bring her daughter into the game, man. I don't know, Destiny stood by your side, you know what I mean? And yes, bring her into the game, Amari, and invest in her career. Lion foot, I tell you that. I know me don't do a tune with Amari too. Me have a bad collaboration, you know. Hey, Amari, me nah tell you twice. Me are the breadwinner, you are the housewife. Lion foot stop show off and hype. And I move mature, you are move force ripe. You see me? Yes, Amari, if you see this link up Lion Foot TV with my Instagram. I know if you me don't do a song with them, and I like it. Yeah, I'm fly come to America come do the video. You can fly to England, make a link up and do the videos. Then yeah man, but keep on supporting Destiny, invest in her career, and I don't know. She young and she have a bright future, you see me? Yeah man, and you don't know, you know, can do a bad collab too, mommy and daughter. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know a Lion Foot this, you know. I will say keep it real on the battlefield. Thank you all for your continuous support. See, so let me know what you think about Dexta Daps new song. I must say, yo, big up every Caribbean, big up every nation. From Canada to Cayman and every gay man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, I love my unity, equality, diversity, equity, love, empathy. Zine? Yes, man. A Lion Foot in with another vlog. I will do it when I boast now brag. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the bell.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.